Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I got this leaflet through my door saying that my area now has robot deliveries available from Starship robots. Some of you might have heard of them before, but if you haven't, they're these little robot things that can carry food, drinks, that kind of stuff. And they're trialing them in Milton Keynes where I live as delivery robots. My area is finally in the trial, so I thought I might as well do an order because I love food, I love technology. This combines both of them. They gave me a £3 off voucher as well with the leaflet, which is pretty nice. It seems pretty simple. It says step 1, you order it on the Starship app. Step 2, person puts your food in the robot, and then 3, you can track it and it comes. So I'm going to have a quick look at the order process, how long it takes roughly to get to where you are, and then I'm going to chase after the robot as well when it gets near my house and just see what it's like. And these robots are completely electric. I think they're automatic as well. No one's controlling them. They figure things out on their own, and a lot of people have asked already, but they do have alarms and all that and cameras, so no one can rob your food, so that's good. I don't actually need anything, but I want to try out the app, so let's just see how it goes. Okay, so I've installed the app. Let's get it open. So you can see it says robot delivery to your door. Let's get started. I'll share my location. I'm going to do it only while using the app. Okay, so I don't know which one of these I fall into actually. So let's try it. So it adjusts to the closest part that your robot can go to. So the only shop I've got available are these two co-ops, but it's better than nothing, so let's give it a go. Don't really know what to get, but let's see. Go for some deodorant. I'll get a Fanta. I'll get some chewing gum as well, why not? So let's see. So it says maximum items 20. Those are all fine. Substitutions accepted. Fine, let's see. I do have a promo code. Let me grab that. Okay, so yeah, £3 off. We'll do proceed to checkout. So I need to put my phone number in. Okay, so I need to add a payment method. Okay, so you need to put your email address in as well to get your receipt. So you can see my 3 items and my estimated time is 64 to 94 minutes. And then obviously it's confirming my payment method as well. So let's click order. Okay, so it shows you the store here, your house there. It tells you you've got your order and it tells you when it's arriving. So it's kind of a bit like Uber Eats and that. So I'll start filming again when it gets a bit closer. Okay, so it seems to be nearby, so I'm going to go try to find it. I think I figured out which route it's going to take. I don't know if you'll be able to see my phone. So I think it's going the long way around. But I think if I cut through here, I should be able to find it on the other side. So let's see. I found it. There it is. Let's see which way it goes. Pretty quick actually. I'm struggling to keep up with it. So you can see it is actually quite big. And it's got 6 wheels by the looks of things. So now it's going to have to go on the road, so this will be interesting. Okay, seems to have stopped. So it seems to stop every now and then, I guess, when it's on the road to make sure that it's safe. So I got a notification as well saying it's arriving. So I need to go meet it and bring my phone. Obviously meeting it won't be a problem. So this is interesting, there's a couple of cars parked on the road. Let's see how it handles that. I think it's confused. Okay, it's made a bit of a movement towards me. Let's see what it does, because it's basically outside my house. Okay, so it backs away if you approach it. Okay, so it seems to have figured itself out now. It's going to go pull and overtake maneuver. So it's outside my driveway now. Okay. So it says your robot's at the pickup point. Please go meet it now. Remember to take your phone. So I'm here. Click OK. Just click I'm next to the robot. Is it ready to unlock? Just click unlock. Okay, so
hello, here's your delivery.
So I wasn't expecting that. It says open the lid, take your order. Okay, so that's the inside. Got my co-op bag, chewing gum, Fanta, deodorant. Okay, so that's what it looks like, empty. So it says take your order and close the lid, then slide the button. Okay, so that's closed. Swiped.
Thank you.
Okay, that was good. Let me move out its way, see where it goes. Okay, so it's on its way. Okay, so it seems to have figured itself out. There we go. Ooh. Leave it on its way. Okay, we're back. So that was good fun. I enjoyed chasing after the robot. It was a bit of exercise which I definitely needed. And as you saw, you can fit quite a lot in there. So I think it's definitely something I'm going to use again if I'm too lazy to go out. And one thing I liked, the delivery fee was only $1.99, which is cheaper than if you want to get something off Deliveroo or Uber Eats. So yeah, I'd really like it if more companies started to offer their services on this, because it's pretty cool. And even though it had a long distance to travel, it got to me reasonably quickly. Maybe for hot food that might not have been the best, so you'd want something closer to you, but for groceries and stuff it worked pretty well. And it definitely saves you having to go out in a pinch. And yeah, like I said, it was good fun chasing the robot as well. But yeah, if you can give me a like and subscribe, that really helped me out. And drop a comment below if you've got any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.